In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pivot table in LibreOffice Calc. First, launch LibreOffice Calc and open the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to analyze. It helps if your data is arranged in a simple, uninterrupted list with a clear header row at the top, and no completely blank rows or columns inside the range. Click once in any single cell within your data. Calc will usually detect the full list for you. If you prefer to be precise, click and drag to highlight the exact range you want to include, making sure the header row is part of the selection. Getting the selection right up front saves time later. With your data selected, open the Pivot Table Creation dialog. You can do this by going to the Insert menu and choosing Pivot Table, or by going to the Data menu, selecting Pivot Table, and then Insert or Edit. If a Select Source dialog appears, confirm that current selection is chosen, and click OK. This tells Calc to use the range you just highlighted. You'll now see the Pivot Table Layout dialog. Your column headers appear under available fields as movable buttons. Drag fields into the 4 areas to define the layout. Filters let you filter the entire pivot table by a field, like region. Row fields become the labels down the left, such as product name. Column fields run across the top, like months or quarters. Data fields are what you want to calculate, for example, sales amount. By default, numeric fields are summarized with sum, while text fields use count. These defaults work well for most cases, and you can adjust them within the dialog if needed. Before you finish, choose where the pivot table will go. By default, Calc creates it on a new sheet, which keeps your original data untouched and your workspace clean. If you want it on the same sheet, expand the Destination section, select Selection, and click the cell where you want the pivot table to begin. When your layout looks right, click OK to generate the table. Calc builds the pivot view and consolidates repeated rows automatically, so you see a clean summary rather than duplicates. If your goal is a unique list based on your setup, you can copy the visible results and paste them elsewhere to keep a tidy, shareable summary. That's it. You've created a pivot table in LibreOffice Calc, set the layout, chosen a destination, and generated a clear summary you can filter and explore.